Welcome to our journey exploring the health benefits of boiled eggs. These humble eggs pack a nutritional punch that can boost your health. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. This protein aids in muscle growth, enhances satiety, and supports weight management. Boiled eggs are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients support immune function, promote eye health, and aid in energy production. Eggs are a good source of healthy fats, improving heart health and lowering bad cholesterol. These fats can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases when part of a balanced diet. Eggs are rich in choline, crucial for brain development and function. Choline enhances memory and cognitive function, making eggs a brain-boosting food. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that promote eye health. These compounds protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Boiled eggs can aid in weight management by increasing feelings of fullness. They are low in calories and high in protein, helping regulate food intake. Boiled eggs are versatile and convenient, easily added to various meals and snacks. Easy to prepare and portable, boiled eggs are a nutritious addition